Once a little old lady named Laura Scudder had a thing about potato chips. She hated chips that sounded like... Now I ask you, who likes chips that sound like...
Right, let's get to it, lads. Straight away we call these crisps. But you cheeky say chips.
Hey kids, let's learn how to make potato chips.
Slice thinly on a mandoline so they are all the same size. 2 pounds or 1 kilo of Red Bliss potatoes, about 3 millimeters thickness. Scrub them well, rinse in cold water to remove starch and soak. In a large pot of boiling water, add 18 grams of salt, 60 milliliters white vinegar. Acid slows the breakdown of pectin, which keeps their shape. Boil potato chips for 3 minutes. Pre-cooking in water rinses off excess simple sugars that will burn when fried and activates an enzyme to ensure crunchy crisps.
A posh chip.
After about 2 pints or so and your local pub, strain and pat dry the potatoes. Drain onto a rack and allow to cool completely. A freezer or fan works splendid. And have another pint. Heat a large heavy pot of oil to 170 degrees Celsius. The potato crisps should cook up in about 10 minutes until they stop bubbling in the grease. Another pint is in order in it. Keep the temperature steady. Move them around a bit. Remove from oil onto a rack. Into a bowl they go. Dust with seasoned salt quite literally. Serve. Do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself out. That's what it's all about, Governor.